Hi, my name is Chris Cash. I'm a student at Confetti Institute of Creative Technologies. My sustainability plan will be to use public transport and use my car less, but when that's not possible, or wherever possible, to cycle to work and to university. I would also, within production, I would have send out a green email at the start, notifying everybody that's working on the film that it's going to be a green production. So it would be really important in any future storyline or production to have green issues at the heart of the story. So maybe having recycling or actors or the cast or the characters within the story using public transport. That would be the way that I would highlight that within my film. Reduce my carbon footprint when making films by ultimately appointing somebody to manage the green production. And part of that process would be to not have plastic water bottles and to have the whole cast and crew bring their own water bottle containers with their name on it. We would also be a vegetarian, offering vegetarian meals for our catering, and we'd be a meat-free production. And also, I think one of the other things that we'd like to add in would be digital scripts and a digital workflow.